If you imagine God as a bearded man in the sky who brought the world into existence a long time ago, and who, for the most part, resides in heaven, where he observes his creation at a distance, occasionally popping down to see what humans have gotten up to, you're not alone. This is more or less the picture that emerges from a surface reading of Genesis. And yet, for most people, it's just not compelling. The great Hasidic master, Rabbi Levi Yitzchak of Berdichev, opens the way for a radical revision of this simplistic theology. God did not create the world, he argues, but rather God continually creates it. Rabbi Levi Yitzchak sees God not as a distant deity, but in the animating energy that pulsates continually throughout creation. God is existence itself. We betray this truth when we see life through the prism of our own egos. If God is the ground of being, to borrow a term from 20th century theologian Paul Tillich, then the notion of selfhood as distinct and apart from the source of life is illusory. We are in reality nothing, ayin, as Rabbi Levi Yitzchak puts it, but for the divine energy that sustains our reality. This is reflected in our daily liturgy. Before reciting the Shema, we bless God, who is the former of light and the creator of darkness. Note how the language is fixed not in the past tense, yatzar or, he who created light, but rather in the present tense, yotzer or, the former of light, since creation is a continual process. Furthermore, the passage implies that God is as present in the light as he is in the darkness. Judaism, as understood by Rabbi Levi Yitzchak and other Hasidic masters, rejects cosmic dualism. If God is the essence of reality, then God must be in all of reality, good as well as evil, light as well as darkness. This presents us with both a demanding and liberating theology. It is demanding because it forces us to broaden our idea of God. It can be challenging for those who seek comfort in a celestial deity who they can bend to their will through prayer and good deeds. But such a simplistic theology ultimately falls short. The Holocaust, hurricanes, devastating floods, poverty, starvation, and now COVID-19 all raise questions that cannot sit with a classical notion of God. Seeing God as life force itself circumvents these questions. Being is a mystery. It contains beauty and light, violence and darkness. Being God-conscious means living in awe of this profound mystery, expecting nothing, being grateful for everything. And as Jews, embracing the framework of Torah and mitzvot as a means towards developing this sense of awe and gratitude, and illuminating as best as possible this wondrous and terrifying reality we call